Hello, I am AdrenaDAN. I am the one-man fan section. I am a professional encourager and all around a loud human being. And today we are here to talk about maximum effort. 3:04:17, baby. Got second in my age group by 1 second. That's why Coach John Wodarski said never let up at the line. Alright, today we are going to talk about maximum effort, which is when you channel all of your strength and energy into a single act of great exertion beyond what is seemingly possible or realistic. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to achieving maximum effort. First step, watch this video, which you're already doing, so you're doing great. You're getting off to a great start. And the second thing is study the obstacle. You need to know the obstacle and know what you want to do. The third thing is to square up, set your posture, and get ready. The fourth thing is yell, maximum effort! As loud and as unintelligible as possible. The more unintelligible, the more powerful you will be. The fifth thing is do the thing. Every AdrenaDAN and every AdrenaWoman and every Adrena each and in between starts off in T-ball. Red, white, and blue, baby. Maximum effort! AdrenaDAN doesn't do rocket science. No? AdrenaDAN is rocket science. Maximum effort! That's impressive. Didn't punch a giraffe. That's horrible. There's a random key that might be important. Key to my heart. Ugh. What if I blew that and it just erased? You'd be like, wow, he's Adrena awesome. Now that's all there is to it. Now you can unlock abnormal abilities. So show me your moves using the hashtag maximum effort challenge. I look forward to seeing all your Adrena awesomeness. AdrenaDAN, signing off. Signing off. Signing off. What is that? Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon? Is that something that actors do? I think that's singing. The steps are to study, water, what does it say? Watch the video.